Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook step by step. So let's begin. So here we are and in Facebook, and the first thing that we would need to do is tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right or just below the messenger icon, and from here you want to view your profile, so tap on your profile right here, and from here you want to tap here on the three dots, so tap on it, and from here you want to tap here on professional mode, so you want to tap on this one right here, and now you can see it right here. You can now turn on your professional mode, so tap on turn on, and now from here let's just wait for it to load that it's turning on right here. And as you can see, we are now setting up our profile and so on right here. And yeah, you can add your bio, you select your profile category just like that, and tell about yourself and use your new professional tools to connect with your audience. Yeah, and just like this, you have successfully turned on professional mode, and that's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for
Found this
watching.
video helpful? Don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.